Hey guys, welcome back to another makeup tutorial. Today I'm giving you this gorgeous summer look. Oh my gosh, I think this one is my top favorite. This one right here is beautiful. You can't even tell me nothing. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that like button if you like this look. If you want to see how I got this gorgeous look, just keep on watching. I'm going to start by moisturizing my lips, and I'm going to be using the Sugar and Lemon Moisturizing Lip Buffer by Seraphine Botanicals. I got this in my BoxyCharm a few months ago. Just a little goes a long way. I'm just going to keep rubbing it until these little scrub thingies dissolve. As you can see, I've already done my eyebrows, so now we're gonna go ahead and get to the eyes, and I'm gonna be using, first off, I'm gonna be using my the BH Cosmetics Modern Mattes palette just for the base. I'm gonna use, I'm out of breath. I'm gonna use a purple, this purple here for a base. I taped it down, you guys, it broke on me. But I'm gonna be using this shade right here as a base. But first, almost forgot, let's go with the transition shade, and that one I will be using. I'm gonna use the Alamar Cosmetics palette, and I'm gonna go in with this shade here, and this shade is called Cocoa Taxi. Now we can finally go in with the purple shade. Now, on top of that shade, I'm gonna go in with my Element of Surprise palette, and I'm gonna go in with this purple right here. This is called Late Night. And on top of that, I'm gonna add just a little bit of this shade here, and that one is called a Blank Canvas. blend it out. I look a hot mess, don't I, you guys? You're probably like, what the heck is she doing? But don't worry, when I clean that up, you'll see the look. And I'm gonna add a little bit of you know I love some gold, so I'm gonna use El Malecon on the same palette, and I'm gonna put it underneath your brows. Now for lashes, I'm thinking about these ones from Ardell or these Vegas Stay lashes. Alright, so these lashes just ain't working for me. It's too heavy for me, so I'm just gonna go in with the Ardell. Okay, so I'm gonna do this eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Got the eyes done. Beautiful. And now we're gonna go ahead and start with the face. And as you already know, I'm gonna be using my Clinique foundation, my favorite full coverage foundation at the moment. I gotta try some more, but at the moment, this is my favorite. And I'm gonna be using the brush today because I like in my last tutorial how it came out pretty cute. Wow, I just realized, you guys, that I literally forgot to prime my face. Oh my gosh, I'm so mad right now.
Oh well, can't go back now. I'm already almost done. Damn, I know I forgot something. Dang it! Oh well. I guess we're just gonna have to go with this. And hopefully it comes out nice. So far it's coming out nice.
Nose, you can see my pores a lot. I'm so mad. Dang, how forget my primer is right here, you guys. I will forget it out. I'm gonna go in with my favorite, as always, my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Cool 10 and Medium Beige. Gonna use my Pro Conceal in Beautiful Bronze. Bronze, using my favorite as always. I'm gonna highlight using this shade. Now I'm gonna do the under eyes. I'm gonna go in with the same colors I did before, except I'm just gonna go in with this one. I'm gonna go in with this one and this one for underneath the eyes. Okay, so before I finish, I'm gonna go ahead and put some eyeliner in the bottom lash line.